Okay, so let's try to do an example. So here we have a triangle. It has a 60-degree here that says this is a reflection. So if that's a reflection, that means this is going to be 60 degrees over here. We know that this is going to be 30 degrees over here, but this is also 30 degrees over here. And that's going to be all of the different angles that we need to know. Okay, how do we know that's 30? Because the three angles have to add up to 180. 60 más 30 más 90 es 180. Por eso este es 30. Okay, so we want to find the exact values of the trig ratios from this table. So let's take a look at this. We're looking at sine, cosine, tangent, all of these for 60. So all you have to do, again, all you have to do is remember this triangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, raíz cuadrada de 3. Okay, so let's take a look over here. Remember, the shortest one is 1, the longest one is 2, and then this is going to be 3, but it's not 3, it's square root of 3. Okay, once you have that, the rest is easy, right? So sine of 60 is 2 over square root of 3. Now, be careful, because remember, we don't like to have the, oh, look, and I did it wrong. So sorry. Remember, 2 is the longest one. That's the hypotenuse. This is going to be square root of 3 here. Okay, yeah, don't make that mistake. Okay, so here I have sine of 60. So sine of 60 is going to be square root of 3 divided by 60. So, sorry, divided by 2. Square root of 3 divided by 2. So we have sine. Sine is square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, cosine. Cosine is 1 over 2. So that's the, right, this cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 1/2. Okay, and the tangent is opposite over adjacent, so square root of 3 over 1. So we can say square root of 3 over 1, but we don't have to say over 1. No es necesario dividir entre 1, so that's fine the way that is. Okay, now for these other ones, remember these ones, we just turn the ones we started with upside down. Estos tres son iguales a estos tres, pero los reciprocals, al revés. Okay, so this is 2 over square root of 3. Pero recuerda que no queremos raíz cuadrado abajo. We don't want a square root on the bottom. So we're actually going to multiply the top and the bottom by square root of 3. So we have 2 times the square root of 3 over 3. Okay, so this one is going to be 2 over 1. Pero recuerda que no es necesario dividir entre 1. And then this one is going to be 1 over square root of 3. Pero recuerda que no quiero el fracción abajo, no, lo siento, no quiero abajo del fracción con raíz cuadrado, por eso este es raíz cuadrada de 3 entre 3. ¿Por qué? Porque 1 por raíz cuadrada de 3 es raíz cuadrada de 3, 3 por raíz cuadrada de 3 es 3. Okay, so that's how we do these. I'm not going to do the one for, there was another example that with the 45-45 triangle. So I'm not going to do that one. I think you can do that one yourself. So this is a 45-degree triangle. And then you can do the same thing. Remember, this is 2 square root of 2. What is it? 1 square root of 2. See, now I forgot what I'm doing. Square root of 2, square root of 2, 2. And again, you can remember that from over here where we were doing this, right? It's 1 square root of 2 or square root of 2 square root of 2, 2. But all of the all the trig functions that are going to come out of this, sine of 45, cosine of 45, whatever, is going to come from this triangle. So I'm going to let you do that one by yourself, I think.